Hello all. Today we are going to see how we are going to remember the formulas of star to delta formulas in very easy way. Okay. So first, if you see for delta to star conversion, in this delta to star conversion, we are going to have the values of delta connection. Delta connection values we know is nothing but RAB, RBC, RCA values we know. We need to find the star values, that is RA, RB, RC. Okay, we need to find out the values for RA, RB, RC. If you want the value of RA value, if you need to find out, RA value is nothing but the product of the adjacent resistance. Product of the adjacent resistance of delta connection divided by the sum of all the resistance of delta connection. Okay, once again I am going to repeat. RA value, if you want to find out the star connection RA resistance value, that is nothing but the product of the adjacent resistance divided by the sum of all the resistance of the delta connection. Sum of all the resistance of delta connection. Okay. Now that is nothing but RA is equal to the product of the adjacent resistance. That is nothing but adjacent resistance of RA is nothing but RAB and RCA. Now we have said product. Product is nothing but the multiplication. So RAB into RCA divided by sum of the resistance of the delta connection. Sum is nothing but the plus RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Okay, now we are going to write and see. RA is nothing but product of the adjacent resistance. RA is nothing but the product of the adjacent resistances RAB. Product is nothing but multiplication into RCA divided by sum of the resistance of the delta connection. Sum of the resistance of the delta connection. So that is nothing but RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Okay, hope you are going to tell me for RB. RB is nothing but, again apply this formula only. Okay, RB is equals to product of the adjacent resistance of delta connection divided by the sum of the resistance of delta connection. Product of the RB is equals to the product of the adjacent resistance. That is nothing but product of the adjacent resistance is RAB into RBC. RAB into RBC divided by the sum of the total resistance of the delta connection. RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Similarly, for RC also. RC is equal to the product of the adjacent resistance. Now tell me what are the product of the adjacent resistance of RC? RCA and RBC. So product is nothing but as I told you, it is nothing but the multiplication. So RCA into RBC, RCA into RBC divided by the sum of the resistance of delta connection. Okay, that is nothing but RAB plus RBC plus RCA. This how you are going to find the values of RA, RB, RC in star connection. Now when you come to the star to delta conversion, that is nothing but you are going to have the values of RA, RB, RC. You need to find out the values of RAB, RBC, RCA. Okay, now same. See, if you see here RAB, we need to find out the value of RAB. RAB is equal to the sum of all the possible products of two resistance. RAB is equals to the sum of all possible product of two resistance. possible product of two resistance of star connection is nothing but how many possibilities are there of two resistance? RA, RC is there, okay, plus RA, RB is there, plus RB, RC is there, okay. Now as I told you that formula is nothing but if you find out for RAB, if you want to find out, formula is sum of all possible products of two resistance divided by opposite resistance. Okay, sum of all possible product of two resistance divided by the opposite resistance. This is the sum of all the possible products of two resistance. Possible products of two resistances. This is the possible product of two resistance. RA, RB is there, RB, RC is there, RC, RA is also there, divided by the opposite resistance. Opposite resistance of RAB is nothing but RC. We need to write opposite resistance is RC. Okay, now we need to find out the value of RBC. RBC is equals to the sum of all possible products of two resistance. That is nothing but same again over here. RARB plus RBRC plus RCRA divided by the opposite resistance of RBC is nothing but RA. Okay, RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA divided by the opposite resistance of RBC is nothing but RA. RA. Now similarly, if you see for RCA also, RCA is equals to the sum of all possible products of two resistance. RCA, sum of the all possible products of two resistance are RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA divided by the opposite resistance of RCA is nothing but RB. Okay, now you are going to write RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA divided by the opposite resistance of RCA is RB. Now divided by the opposite resistance RB. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.